Hi, wanted to show you guys what's going on here up in Maine, in my neck of the woods. See if I could capture it here for you. I don't know if you can see that. It's snowing like crazy. And I wanted to show you guys my mini loaves and how I take my little samples out of the container, out of the mold, the silicone mold. So usually the mini loaves come out easily. I think it has to do with a size thing. Like the smaller you go with the silicone molds, the harder it is. And of course, you know, if you have like shapes and stuff um, in the silicone molds, it's harder to get them out too while keeping the integrity of those little shapes and details. So anyway, here is my mini loaves. And they usually will just pop right out. Just push up on the bottom. And just pop. It pops right out. That's the love potion. This is the yin yang. And on my mini loaf, it was I forgot to pour the white portion on there, so this one's just all like that purplish pink and black swirled together, you know, layered, and then it's swirled together. And then for the guys, I'm videotaping. And then for the little samples, I just took them out of the freezer. I put these in the freezer for about, I don't know, it's been maybe not quite an hour. And I just wanted to show you that when you do that, when you put them in the freezer, and you take them out and just, you know, even if you just, I sometimes don't even let them set. I just go right ahead and pop them out, but you can let them set for just, you know, a minute, but it'll pop those right out clean. And if I don't put those in the freezer, I have an awful hard time popping them out. They never come out clean. I always end up leaving, some gets left inside up there, it sticks. So yeah, just pop those little silicone molds in the freezer and you can get some clean little details, clean little samples. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Take care, bye bye.